How to add Instacart gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can add an Instacart gift card. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add an Instacart gift card, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and launch the Instacart application. Once you launch the Instacart app, you're going to simply make sure that you're signed into the account. Then once you're signed into the account, you want to make sure to just tap the three lines icon from the top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap the three lines icon from the top left hand side, over here you'll most likely be able to find different type of options where you'll find the option called track credits and promos. If you look at the bottom, so tap on track credits and promos here, and then here you'll find an option labeled as add promo or gift card. You want to make sure to just tap on this option. Once you tap on it, over here you'll find the option called promo or gift card code. Then all you have to do is just make sure to enter the gift card code that you see over here. Once you enter the gift card code, if you make sure that this is correct, you can tap the redeem option and your gift card will be successfully added. And this is it on how you can add Instacart gift card. Hope this video was helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.